melted some butter and we're going to finish our ribeyes in this. Okay, today we're doing our ribeye steaks on the grill for Valentine's Day. This is so special. This is the the meal.
Oh, shit.
Hey everyone, this is Sandy, Girl with the Grill, and today we're doing a very special episode. It is Valentine's Day, and today we are doing these beautiful ribeye steaks on the grill. So let's get started. Alright, so we are having these beautiful ribeyes on the grill tonight. And I have taken them out about an hour ago, and they are tempered, room temperature, and they are beautifully marbled. And I pat them dry with a paper towel, and now we're just going to season them and get them on the grill for dinner. So I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil as a binder. These are such nice steaks that we really don't need a lot of seasoning on this, but I am going to use my AP rub, which is salt, pepper, and paprika. I really want to taste the meat. So we're going to let that set until it tacks up, just a few minutes, and then we're going to flip them over and do the other side. Alright, so I've seasoned our beautiful ribeyes here on both sides, and they're ready for the grill. This menu is very, very special to my husband and I. These are beautifully marbled. They're going to be awesome. So tonight's menu is going to be our roasted potatoes that we did on the Yoder. They are warming in the oven. I'm going to do my sauteed green beans, which you are absolutely going to love, and then the raspberry vinaigrette for our spring greens, which is going to be, it's going to be fabulous. It's going to complete the meal, and I cannot wait. Okay, I'm doing a very simple raspberry vinaigrette from scratch. I just want to show you, we're going to serve with our spring mix and our spinach and arugula salad tonight. And it is so delicious and so easy to make. So I've got 1 pint of raspberries to go in. We have 3 green onions or scallions. We have a half a cup of rice wine vinegar. A 1/4 cup canola. Tablespoon of white sugar, fresh cracked pepper, to taste, kosher salt, and a dash of honey, or you could use brown sugar as well. We're just going to put a little dash of honey in there for sweetness. And we're going to blend. This vinaigrette goes really well with the more delicate greens that we're going to be serving. You taste it. That is fantastic. So until we serve our dinner tonight with our salad, I'm going to put this in a jar and we're going to refrigerate it for about an hour. That's all there is to it. It's delicious. Anything homemade, you know what's going in it, is fabulous. Alright guys, we're going to make a fabulous side. We're doing roasted potatoes on the pellet grill tonight, and these beauties are just red potatoes that I have washed and cut in half, and they're going to get really crispy on the Yoder. And I'm just gonna season it now with olive oil. This is so simple. This is such a great side to serve. You can be a little liberal with your olive oil. This is my AP rub. This is nothing but kosher salt, fresh cracked pepper, and some paprika. I'm gonna coat that really well. And then I chopped up some fresh thyme and fresh rosemary, which gives it, it's an aromatic that just gives it a wonderful flavor, and it smells so good. Super easy. These will be on the grill for about an hour. And what I'm looking for is not only tenderness, but crispiness on my potatoes. And I love these red potatoes because they don't get mushy like the russets do. So use the red or the Yukon Gold and you will have perfect potatoes every single time. So we're doing it on the Yoder YS640 pellet grill at 425 degrees. And that's all there is to it. Takes a couple of minutes to season it. We're ready for the grill. Alright guys, we're going to do our roasted potatoes on the Yoder YS640 today. It's preheated at 425 degrees. We're going to do it on the top shelf indirect for about an hour. And I'm going to check this in about 40 minutes. Maybe stir it, see how it's doing, but it should come out absolutely fabulous. Alright, we're going to check our potatoes now. They've been on for an hour. And they are looking, oh my God, they're looking fabulous. They are crispy and they are brown, golden brown, and they are perfect. They are perfect, perfectly done. So what we're gonna do while I do the steaks is we're going to foil these and just pop them in a very, very low oven until we're ready to eat, and everything, this whole meal will just come together. So let's do that. All right, now we're ready to put our ribeyes on the direct side of the Yoder, directly over the flame. We're gonna sear it really nicely, about 3 minutes per each side, and then we're gonna do it indirect to bring it up to a 135 degree Fahrenheit internal temperature and finish our cook. It's going to be fabulous. Okay, we've been cooking these over the direct heat for about 3 minutes. So I'm going to flip them over. And as you can see, they got beautiful grill marks. These are going to be amazing. So I'm going to sear these on the other side for about 3 minutes. And in the meantime, I am warming a saute skillet with some butter, which we're going to finish our cook until we reach the 135 I'm looking for. And they are going to be amazing. So we are melting this butter. We're going to put our steaks in there, and we're going to finish our cook. Okay, we've got a beautiful sear on each side, and now I'm going to put this in this beautiful butter that we've reduced. And we're going to finish up our cook until it reaches 135. We're just going to let go. All right, so I've melted some butter and we're going to finish our ribeyes in this. And the reason I do this is that it just infuses flavor and it keeps the steak moist and really rich and flavorful. Okay, our steak is done and off the grill. We've let it rest. So I'm going to cut it against the grain. And we have a beautiful medium, which is exactly the way I like it. It is absolutely perfect. It's not so rare that it's bloody, but it is just a perfect. I'm gonna taste it. Oh my God, it's so juicy and moist and delicious and tender. The way I did it with the searing and the direct heat, and then finishing it off in a skillet in butter, which I basted. This is the perfect Valentine's dinner. My sauteed green beans, my roasted potatoes. It's going to be amazing Valentine, which my husband deserves the best of the best, and this can't get any better. So I've plated over our roasted potatoes and our beautiful ribeye steak that is like so tender. We're gonna have a little bit of spring mix salad that I made, the raspberry vinaigrette. This is a sexy meal. A little bit of sliced onions or slivered onions that I made. This is flipping gorgeous. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you out there. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna enjoy our dinner, and tonight we're going to complement it with a Josh cab, which will go perfect with our meal. And I'm wishing you all a very happy Valentine's Day. If you like this video, hit subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Girl with the Grill, and it's time for our very romantic dinner. Talk to you later. Bye. Really, the